Well guys, good day. 2016 Jeep Patriot 2.4 alternator replacement. So all you need to do, everything is from the bottom. So basically you remove the shield. As you see, you drop the AC compressor. In order to drop the AC compressor, there is 3 bolts, number 13 right here, and 3 bolts on the bracket. It's attached to the oil pan right there. So you need to take that off. Don't disconnect any hose from the AC because you don't need to discharge the freon. So basically, let the compressor hanging like that. On top of there, you need to take this pulley out, which is right here with number 16 millimeter. That's the hose. And right next to it, which my finger is pointed, there is another 16 millimeter screw. You need to take it all the way up. Don't forget about missing this nut. It goes on the back of the screw behind the alternator. And there is one more bolt on the top of the alternator, which I already took it off with number 13 right there. That's it. And the installment is going to be the reverse of the removal. That's all about the alternator replacement on 2016 Jeep Patriot 2.4. Alright guys, thank you for watching and see you next time.